Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Angela's classroom. I am Miss Angela and we are here for Tuesday mini class. Welcome everyone. Guys, you know my friend Brown Bear and Bun Bun, right? Yesterday I met Brown Bear and he told me that he got a problem. So I said, "What's your problem, Brown Bear?" And Brown Bear told me a story. The other day, Brown Bear had a play date with Bun Bun. So Brown Bear went to Bun Bun's house and they played with tracks and trains together. They had fun time and then they took a photo together. So Bun Bun printed out a photo for Brown Bear and Brown Bear brought the photo to home. But he realized that he didn't have any photo frames or photo holder. He wanted to put the photo on his desk, but he didn't have anything to hold the photo. So he thought, is there any way that I can make a photo holder or photo frame by myself? And he went to his craft room and he had some pipe cleaners and some beads and some cupcake liners and Play-Doh. And then he tried to make a photo frame by himself. Guys, do you think we can help Brown Bear? I have the same materials that Brown Bear had. Like I got pipe cleaners. Oops, I got pipe cleaners. And I got some beads. I got some nice beads. And I have Play-Doh. Play-Doh. And I have mini cupcake liners here. Do you think we can make a photo frame with these materials? Let's try together, all right? I'm gonna show you Brown Bear's photo. Here is the Brown Bear. Here is the Bun Bun. And they took a photo together. So we are gonna try to make a photo holder or photo frame for these photos. So Brown Bear can have the photos in front of him on the wall or on the desk. Have you ever seen a photo holder, guys? Photo holder is like this. It is standing on the desk and it is holding the photo like this. It's standing on the table, the desk, and then it is holding the photo. So you can see it. Okay, look, this pipe cleaner just looks like the photo holder, right, guys? Okay, how can I make this stand? Because it has to stand with the photo, right? I have a bead, but beads cannot make the pipe cleaner stand, right? How about the Play-Doh, guys? We have a Play-Doh. It's the same color as my pipe cleaner. My pipe cleaner is blue, light blue, and my Play-Doh is blue. It's like turquoise blue. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of the Play-Doh. Oops. This much. Oh, guys, if you don't have the materials ready yet, you can pause the video now, pause it, and then go get your materials, and then you can do it with me, all right? So the Play-Doh can be a base. I'm gonna show you over here. Look, if this is the table or desk, the Play-Doh can stand like this, right? And look, We play this a lot, right? We like to poke things on the Play-Doh, right? See, now the pipe cleaner can stand. Okay. This is too long, I think. So I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter. I just forward it. You can use any way, guys. Think about how you can make the photo holder. You can use pipe cleaner like this, or you can make different shape. Like you can put 3 pipe cleaners together. Let's do it. I'm gonna put 2 pipe cleaners. And I'm gonna fold it in half. I want it to be a little bit shorter. So I'm gonna fold it in half. And then the pipe cleaner, guys, you can make any shape you want, right? The pipe cleaner can move any way. If you want it this way, put it in this way. If you want it up, put it up, down, go around. Then you can go around as well, right? That's the good thing about the pipe cleaner. We can make any shape. All right. And then I'm gonna poke it in my Play-Doh again. Ooh, it already looks like a photo holder, guys. Okay, then let's see if we can really hold the photo. Here is Bamban and Brown Bear's photo. And because I have 2 pipe cleaner, guys, maybe I can just put it here. Maybe I can just put it here in between like this. It's that. Okay, not really. Maybe I'm gonna make this a little bit tighter. Oops. Okay, and just like this. It is hiding Bamban's face, right? But it is a hoarding. Ooh, I want to show this to Brown Bear. Isn't it nice, guys? Okay, now I'm gonna make another one because we have 2 more photos. Okay, let's put this on the side. There. And this time, how about we make something to put it on the wall? Brown Bear's photo is here. If Brown Bear wants to put his photo on the wall, he can. How can he do that? If he has a photo frame, he can put it in the photo frame and then hang it with the hook, right? But if he doesn't have photo frame, guys, what did we have? Play-Doh. And Play-Doh is sticky, right? You guys know sometimes I use my little blue sticky to stick things on the board, right? That's something like Play-Doh. We have a Play-Doh. You can put the Play-Doh on the wall like this, and then put the photo. Let's move it a little bit. Put the photo like that, right? Isn't it a good idea? But if he doesn't have Play-Doh anymore, he can also use what? Guys, what can we use to stick things? He can use a tape too, right? Okay, then this time let's try to make the photo frame. I'm gonna use another pipe cleaner, but you can use your imagination. You can be creative. How do you wanna make it? If you have a pom-poms like this, you can just glue the pom-pom and then decorate it on the photo. Or because I have some beautiful beads, I'm gonna use these beads on my pipe cleaner. I'm gonna thread my beads. The beads had holes, right? And you're gonna put the pipe cleaner into the holes. Look. Look. Okay, let's put another one. Yellow one. I'm gonna put a yellow one. Put it in. So like this. Put it in. It's in. Okay, I'm gonna put more. There's a blue. Blue. And pink. There's a pink. Pretty. Okay, let's see how I can put this around the photo. Like this. Like this. I'm gonna make a square shape, just like the photo. So maybe move your pipe cleaner. You can move pipe cleaner any way you want. Like this. Oh, I'm gonna put more beads then. This is green, I think. Green or yellow. Green or yellow. This is yellow and this looks like green, right? Okay. And there's orange. Orange. Look. And maybe one on the other side. White this time. There you go. Let's see. Like this. How about we make a circle, guys? I changed my mind. I want to make circle. But this is going to be too small for the, right? Let's make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to use another pipe cleaner and I'm going to connect it together. You can just turn it around. Then they're together. Right. And the other side, same thing. Hold one pipe cleaner and hold it together like this, and then go around. Then they're together. Now, like this. Like this. What do you think, guys? Is it prettier than before? If you don't like my circle shape, you can make any other shape, right? Make the shape that you want to make. But I'm gonna put this up around the photo with the Play-Doh. If Play-Doh doesn't work, try the tape. Because the tape is actually stronger than the Play-Doh. It is staying. There you go. I decorated Brown Bear's photo by making a frame. Do you guys like it? If you like this kind of photo holder better, you can make photo holder. We have to put it on the table like this. But I want to show it to you like this. Or if you like the photo frame like this one better, you can try making this kind of photo frame. So guys, next time, if you have a photo, new photo, let's say you got a new photo, but you don't have any photo frame or photo holder, don't worry. Just go to your craft room or craft storage area and then look for the materials, especially the pipe cleaners. If you have a pipe cleaners and Play-Doh and some decorating materials, you can make your own photo holder or photo frame, right? All right, I'm gonna give these to my friend Brown Bear. All right. Okay, then I'm gonna see you next Tuesday again. Okay, bye everyone.